Good morning and happy Thursday. Today is October 1st. So if you scroll down to Thursday, October 1st, what you'll be doing today is weathering activity day 2. So you're going to go on the same website as you did yesterday, but with a different worksheet. And then when you are finished, just like yesterday, you can work on your vocab. So let's take a look at what we're going to be doing today. All right, so again, you're going to go to Weathering Gizmo at explorelearning.com and click on it, hit enroll, and you're going to type in Unami, and then the password is Gizmo Gizmo. You're going to log in. You're going to look for weathering. To look for weathering, you can just find gizmos and put weathering in here, and then choose this one and you'll launch the gizmo just like you did yesterday. Then you'll go over to your document for day 2, save it to your science folder, open it up. There we go. And you can start with here on the simulation tab, hit reset, set the average temperature, etc. And you'll put all your answers in here. Just like yesterday, there are some videos that can help you. Hopefully you won't have any trouble getting into them. Um, and then upload it by the end of the day at 2:30 today. So have an amazing day, and I can't wait to see you all again tomorrow. Bye.